Here's my ruler stuck in the pile of snow on top of my picnic table, and it looks like more than 7 inches, about 7, getting close to 7.5, which are hiding underneath. There's the 7. So more than 7 inches of snow on my picnic table, and it's still snowing.
Okay, so as you can see, there's a few different ways to measure precipitation. If it's raining and it's liquid, it has to be caught in a container called a rain gauge. I can also use a ruler when it's snow, because I can just stick the ruler down into the snow and measure how much precipitation or how it has stacked up. Next, we're going to see what happens when we take the snow that was collected in the rain gauge and bring it inside the house and let it warm up. I wonder if the amount of snow will give an equal amount of precipitation. So if I have 5 inches of snow, will it melt down and be 5 inches of water? Let's watch and find out.
Hello, first graders. It's Mr. Balam here. I'm showing you my rain gauge, which it didn't collect rain yesterday. It snowed. It was October 20th yesterday when we got a bunch of snow, and my rain gauge filled up with snow. And I brought it in the house, and it is sitting here, and I'm going to come back on in a little while. After it melts, I wonder if you can guess how much rain will be in the gauge, how much water will be in there after the snow melts and goes away. Will the water be all the way to the top?
Isn't that interesting? So we started with a full rain gauge full of snow, and after 2 hours I only have a little less than 2 inches of water. Scientists like to observe things, but that leads us to questions. What else was in the rain gauge when there was snow in there? The water is only little less than 2 inches. What else filled up the space that made the snow go all the way to the top? Over 5 inches of snow was in there. See if you can share what you think was in there with the snow. Use the seesaw tools to share what you think was mixed in with the snow before it melted that left only a little less than 2 inches of water.